If you have a contact list stored in a CSV or Excel file, you can easily import those contacts into ActiveCampaign. In this video, I'll show you how to import contacts step by step. First, prepare your contact file. Save it as a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file, and make sure each contact has a unique email address or phone number. It's also a good idea to clean up your columns, such as first name, last name, and email, before importing. Now log into your ActiveCampaign account. Click Contacts from the left-hand menu, then click Import in the top right corner. Select Import from File and choose your CSV or Excel file. Once the file is uploaded, ActiveCampaign will ask you to map your data. Match each column from your file with the correct ActiveCampaign field, such as email, first name, or phone. If you don't want to import a particular column, select Do Not Import this field. You can also create a new custom field if your data doesn't match an existing field. Next, choose which lists these contacts should be added to. You can also add tags to identify where the contacts came from and enable the option to update existing contacts if you want to update information already stored in ActiveCampaign. Review your import settings carefully, then click Import Now. ActiveCampaign will process the file and provide a report when the import is complete. Check the report for any errors or skipped contacts. And that's how you can import contacts into ActiveCampaign from a CSV or Excel file. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more ActiveCampaign tutorials.